What if mindfulness is already helping you, but you are missing the signs? A lot of people expect dramatic change right away when they practice, and they think it should make them feel calmer, clearer, and completely different. But real progress often starts in much smaller ways. And if you don't know what to look for, you might think nothing is happening when something important has already begun. This is one reason many people stop too soon. And not because the practice is not helping, but because they don't yet know how to recognize their early change. So in this video, I want to show you what real progress can look like before it feels dramatic. A lot of people lose interest or they stop too soon because they're looking for the wrong kind of proof. They think if I'm still stressed, it must not be working. But mindfulness doesn't always help by making stress disappear right away. It often helps by changing how quickly you notice stress or how long you stuck in it or how fast you come back from it. And that matters. Because if you only measure progress by whether you feel calm, you can miss the quieter signs that your nervous system is already changing. And when people miss those signs, they often go back to doubting themselves. They push harder. They assume they're doing it wrong. They quit. They stop altogether. The first sign of change may not be your entire life. It may just be your pattern. And that is often where real change begins. So what does that look like? It can look like this. You notice your jaw is tight before your entire body gets tense. You catch yourself holding your breath before stress takes over. Your shoulders drop away from your ears without you trying to make them. You still get triggered, but you come back faster. You notice that guard feeling inside your body and it loosens for a few seconds. You stop yourself from pushing far past your limit. You feel a full breath without forcing it. You stay present for 10 seconds longer than before. You feel a little less trapped inside the same old thoughts spiral. Now, that may not sound like much for some of you, but it is. Because those moments tell you your nervous system is beginning to do something different. That is one of the things I help people notice. Not just whether they feel better, but whether they are relating differently to stress, to their body, and to themselves. Because mindfulness is not only helping when you feel calm, it is helping when you start feeling like you have more choices in the moments that used to feel automatic. I remember a client stay after a group session and said, I haven't felt this good in years. What stood out was not that her whole life had changed. It was something inside her has softened. She felt a little lighter, a little more hopeful, and a little more like herself again. And sometimes this is how progress begins. Not a huge breakthrough, but with one real moment where the body is no longer holding quite so much. That is key, because when someone has been holding a lot for a long time, even small return of relief, hope, or connection can be deeply meaningful. It gives them something to build from. Because when you are inside your own process, it's easy to overlook what is changing. You may see what is not changed yet. You may miss the signs that your body is already responding. And when that happens, people tend to doubt the practice and usually happen right at the moment where they need steadiness the most. That's why guidance matters so much. And it's not because you are incapable on your own, but because real practice, real support can help you see more clearly. Practice in ways that your nervous system can receive and actually can build from what is working instead of constantly second guessing yourself. At a certain point, what starts to matter is not just whether you feel calm, it is whether your relationship with your body is beginning to change. Are you noticing sooner? Forcing less? Recovering faster? Trusting your body more? Giving yourself support earlier? Those are real signs. And they are often the signs that tell me someone is ready to go deeper in the right direction. This is the work I do with people. I help them recognize what real progress looks like. what their nervous system is showing them, and how to practice in a way that creates change without overwhelm. So if you have been trying to figure this out on your own and questioning whether you are doing it correctly, you don't have to keep guessing. Sometimes what makes the biggest difference is having the right support to help you see what is already changing and how to build from there. So if you've been wondering whether mindfulness is helping, stop looking for only big change. Look for honest change instead. A fuller breath, a softer jaw, a little less guarding, a little more space before reaction. That might be the sign that something important is already beginning within yourself. In the next video, I'll talk about what type of meditation is actually helps your nervous system change. And for now, remember this: real progress is not always dramatic. I know, right? Sometimes it begins with a few seconds of less bracing, and that can change more than you think.